The aim was just a nice cruiser for me to cruise on the keys. Oh, I fucking love it. My name's Charlie from Rossmore, New South Wales. And this is my 1969 HK Kingswood 69 Kinger. I've been around cars from a young age. My old man's been doing this since he was young, always building cars in the back shed. And this car behind me was my first build. When I first got the car, I was 15, trying to get it done before I got my L's. Originally bought it, it was from out bush. It wasn't a bad car, bit of rust in places, paint wasn't like perfect. It was a 186 manual car originally, just had the standard banjo diff. It was, yeah, very slow. The plan was just to lower it, do the white walls, Venetians, and then we decided we'll put a diff in it, then decided we'll do the engine box, and yeah, snowballed from there. Pulled all the driveline out, then we decided we'll blast the bay, fill in a few holes, did all the rust repairs underneath, ripped the engine out of a donor car and gearbox, cleaned them up. Me and my dad painted the engine bay at home and under the car. It was good building it with my dad, got to learn lots of stuff on this car. It was a 2-year build all up, from when we first stripped it to when we finished it. Plenty of hours, plenty of late nights. It turned out a lot better than we expected it. In the engine bay, we've replaced the 186 with the 350 Chev, just a mild engine. Just wanted something that I could cruise and not worry too much about. It's all standard internals, just has Edelbrock manifold, Holly carby on it, 650 double pumper. Nothing too flash, just wanted something nice, reliable cruiser. In the engine bay, we just filled in a few holes, just wanted to keep it the original look. That's why we kept the satin black paint. Has the turbo 350 gearbox, B&M shifter, has an RPC booster, Willwood master cylinder, 9-inch diff, strange alloy centre, billets 31 spline. So for the wheels, I went with the World Racing wheels. The front's a 17 by 4.5 inch V-series with M&H tyres, and the rear's a 15 by 8 World Vitesse with a 225 tyre on it. Has Willwood brakes on the front with custom hubs to tuck in the 17-inch front wheels and still keep me steering lock. Wanted to give it the Pro Street vibe. Outside the car's a lot of the classic look, and then went with them wheels to set it off with the reverse cowl scoop, give it more of that Pro Street look. For the interior, we kept the original bench seats. We wanted to be able to cruise around with 6 people in it. Actually chose the interior colour before the paint. Wanted something bright, matched the paint colour. Kept the original style on the seats, and then went something a bit different on the door trims. And I put the Venetians in the back so it retains that classic look. For the dash, I wanted to keep it all original looking and just update it with the autometer gauges, so it has the autometer tacho and the water and oil gauges, so I know what's going on. Went with the billet specialty steering wheel, painted in the same colour as the outside to give it that classic feel, but a bit of an update. The colour isn't actually original colour, it was something mixed up by Daniel at Kingpins. We wanted to keep it that original look, but just change it up a bit, make it our own, and then it has the crushed glass over the top to give it a bit of bling. When we finished it, at the time I was 16, driving on my L plates, yeah. The deadline for the car was Power Cruise. We finished it one weekend before and took it for the first test drive. It was pretty scary, first old car I've driven. It's a good feeling to be able to take it out to car shows and see people appreciate it, and then jump in it, go out for a feed with the boys, go do some burnouts after, yeah. Now that the HK's all done on the street, I want to build something I can flog a bit more at Power Cruise, and I've started to build on a SS Commodore Ute, doing big single turbo setup on it, probably do a cast 400 cube LS. Still be a nice car, but something I can flog a bit more than the HK, yeah. Yeah, it's an accomplishment now the car's all done, and be able to get it to look at it finished in the shed and go out and use it and see people appreciate it at car shows. Won a couple trophies with it, it's always a good feeling. I never expected to get to this point. It was meant to be a car not to care too much about, just cruise around and have fun in. And yeah, just snowballed from there. Me and my dad aren't too good at leaving stuff alone. Builds always blow out, get nicer than they're meant to be, yeah.